Here are some of our new ideas for TDO Op Design 5.0. They involve Harbor Freight tool chests and Wayfair uh, automated desks. And basically what this does, it allows us to install GoPros in many different angles. And the desk allows for 2 monitors for the assistant. And we basically get rid of the back wall. So you can create your operatory with basically almost zero construction costs. These desks were $500. The Wayfair desk is $250, and it completely eliminates the need for any cabinetry in the operatory. We're using this to teach postgraduate students, and as we're using it, we realize how much better this is than your typical operatory with cabinetry. You open the tanning bed, and you have a tremendous amount of storage, and that storage is mobile. All of these are on wheels. It's very well constructed, plenty of storage space, so the assistant never needs to really leave the operatory. And having 2 monitors for the assistant, it adds just tremendous efficiency to the assisting. So these are the various views. We have 12 different angled views with the GoPros, so we're thinking this will let us teach the ergonomics much better because we can shoot from various angles. I have my own Harbor Freight tool cart on wheels that I can adjust. And as we're teaching Cindy here some of the finer nuances in how to do really good documentation and accurate photography, sharp focus, going through all of the ergonomic nuances that are involved in doing this well and efficiently. And you can see how the various GoPro angles allow us to teach this much better. We actually have a GoPro hanging off of the microscope. So you have the microscope view and the GoPro view. With Cindy, what we did, we started with what are the skills that the assistant needs to have. So we train the doctors as an assistant first, so they have a full understanding of all of the little nuances that go into doing really sharp photography, focusing on posture and being muscularly relaxed when you're worked. And Cindy went right up the curve very quickly with focusing on all these nuances. Here you can see the various GoPro angles that we can shift between effortlessly. And here we are trying to get really sharp photography deep down into the canal using all these little ergonomic nuances that we focus on during the training. And Cindy mastered this in about an hour and a half, really, just practicing it over and over again until she had it down. And these are ergonomic skills. They have nothing to do with the camera. They have to do with the coordination between yourself and your assistant and your ability to snap the picture at just the right moment. There she is practicing on the fine focusing at the highest power and trying to capture all of the detail. And then we use the depth of field gauge from Edmund Scientific to really refine our parafocaling skill, because a lot of the issues involved with inaccurate parafocaling, so that what you see in your eyepieces is different than what you see in the camera at the different magnifications. So there's a lot of little tiny secrets, but in the hour and a half that Cindy was here, as she practiced this, she got really good at it very, very quickly. So it's not a difficult skill, but it's a nuanced skill, and it's an ergonomic skill that really most people miss the small nuances in how to do this easily and effortlessly, and being able to take single pictures and not have to take 5 or 6 pictures to get one good one. So I thought you'd enjoy kind of seeing what we're doing with the new dental op design. I feel it has a way of really revolutionizing office design, because you don't need any cabinetry in your op any longer, and this will save new grads $60,000 or $70,000 per op, and it makes it much, much more efficient and easier to design, and much more adaptable to all the little nuances with people that have are different heights, different sizes. Um, you really can vary the operatory by, because everything's on wheels, to really make it suit your own personal um, physical characteristics.